Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Whittle. Happy March 30th. I feel like it's the first day of school. It's exciting and we're all a little nervous to see how this goes. I want you to know that you're allowed to feel nervous. This is something different. A lot of us talk about being flexible thinkers and going with the flow. So that's one thing we're gonna have to go with the flow. We don't know what's to come and we're just gonna have to go with things as they arise. One of those things being our distractions at home, as some of you may hear. My dog's ringing the bell. He has to go out. So working at home, we're gonna have these little things that come up. But we'll go with it and we'll make the best of it. So I miss all of you and I'm very excited to get started again. And this is my first of many video check-ins. I'm going to post videos like this Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays on Schoology, and then there'll be a little activity or something to go along with them. Today's activity is going to be a question, a simple question, and you'll answer it on the Google form. The link's below or above. I'm not sure where it's going to be posted. Um, but my question is, where are you going to do your schoolwork? We all need to get on a new schedule. We've had off the past 2 weeks, and we might have hopefully been doing some fun things at home. Maybe you had extra video game time, or you were able to be outside with your family, or your siblings, or even just yourself. I know at my house, I got a lot of painting done. I was able to paint the kitchen and the living room and kind of redo a few things and organize things that I had pushed off to summertime. I now had time to do. So the question is going to be, where are we doing our homework? Or our schoolwork, not our homework necessarily. We talk about it a lot at the beginning of the year to make sure we have a good set plan. Where's a quiet place at home that I can do my homework, that maybe my brother or sister's not going to run in and disturb me, or mom and dad are baking dinner and that'll distract me. I know I get distracted very easily. I had to come up with a place where I was going to quietly do my work instead of on the sofa in front of the television because I know I would get distracted. My husband, he's a teacher. He's working from home too. We had to make sure we had separate spaces so we can have quiet time and focus when we're supposed to be doing our work. So, like I mentioned, I want you to answer in a Google form. Where are you doing your schoolwork? And as this week goes on, I'm going to have more information about what our individual sessions are going to look like and how we can get those set up. I'll send a Schoology message and emails home once I have more information. Every day we're kind of learning and learning something new or learning how we're supposed to be doing something. So stay tuned for all of that information. Happy Monday, and please let me know if you need anything. Shoot me an email, shoot me a Schoology message. I'm here to help. If you need help with your assignment or we need to make a plan for you to reach out to your teacher because you need help on an assignment, I'm here to do that. Everything that I normally do in school, we're going to try to hopefully do on the computer. So we'll see how everything goes. I can't wait to see all of you and talk to you and help support the best I can. And we'll be in touch soon. Bye.